All right, we have here the Enhanced Mobility Triaxe Cruze scooter. This is a pretty nice little scooter. So if you're looking for something that's a little bit faster than 4 or 5 miles an hour, this one will go 6 miles an hour. This is a portable, foldable scooter. So this scooter will weigh about 58 pounds without the battery pack inside the scooter. So it's 58 pounds, and I'll show you how to take the battery pack out before you lift it. So this scooter has a top speed of 6 miles an hour. It also has a weight capability of 350 pounds. So if you're looking for something a little bit quicker than most small scooter, but still lightweight, it also has a seat that's 19 inches wide by 12 inches deep. 19 inches wide, 12 inches deep, okay? It does have a folding back like this. This scooter, as I said, is foldable, but before we go to all that folding stuff, let's just talk about the scooter itself. You have a large basket in front that can be removed, okay? You also have here on the tiller, you have your headlight right here on the right side button. You can see the headlight right now. You can see it right here. It's a good headlight, very good headlight. You also have a good horn. And you also have your display right here showing you how your battery gauge are doing. The lights are all the way up to green. As you're using the scooter, the lights will come off. So you'll lose your green lights first. That means you're probably halfway empty. Then you go all the way down to the red when you're almost empty. You have your speed dial right here from slow to 6 miles an hour. Right here's your speed dial. You do have a key with the scooter that comes with 2 keys. So you just push the key in all the way, then your power comes on. Okay, you can see how easy it is, this scooter is to turn. I can turn this scooter with 1 finger, okay? So let's talk about something else. When you want to go forward, you have your little lever right here. That's your forward lever. And your rear lever is on the opposite side. So if you want to go reverse, you could also do it this way. Push it up with your thumb, and you can go reverse or forward on the same side. So if you only have one hand, you could use either side for forward and reverse. Okay, that's a real good feature to have. The nice thing about this scooter also is this one is a rear wheel drive scooter. So some of them are front wheel drive on these portable scooters, but the front wheel drives have a little tendency to skip when you go uphill because all your weight's back here and you have to have weight on the front wheel. But this is a rear wheel drive scooter. And also with this scooter back here, there's a lever here behind the scooter to put it in neutral. So if you want to put it in neutral, I would take the key out because you'll hear that noise. So if you take the key out, you can see how easy it rolls, okay? But if you're going to put it in neutral, make sure when you're done, you put the lever back down, okay? So let's talk about how to fold this scooter, okay? Let me bring it over here. So the first thing you would do is you would take your basket off. And then back here, you've got these tip wheels. Let me put the scooter this way so you can see better. So now, back here you've got tip wheels, okay? So if you want to fold the scooter and you want it to stand up, you need to have these tip wheels standing up. So what you do on these tip wheels, you grab them pulling out. Pull out and snap. See how it's pulled out and up, okay? The next thing you will do is you will fold the seat down right here. There's a lever under here. You pull it and the whole seat goes down. The lever is right under the seat. It's a silver lever. And then you put your tiller, unlock your tiller right here. Put it down. And now you can grab your scooter. I left the key. Pull the key out. Okay, so you have the key out of your scooter. Put that in your bag. You can grab it like this now. Now that you have the tip wheels, you can grab it and roll it if you wanted to. Okay, I would probably put it in neutral if you did that. If we put the scooter in neutral, okay, now, so if you're going to do this right here, put it in neutral. You can roll it better if it's in neutral. Okay, you can see that. Now when you take the battery out, you will pull the pin out of here like this, and this will drop. What you'll do is you'll unplug that cable, when you receive this scooter, if you watched me unbox it earlier, that's the first thing you have to do when you receive the scooter. Sit it up and plug this cable in, because when they're shipped, the cable's not in here. Pull this out. This little battery pack weighs about 4 or 5 pounds. And then shut this up again. So now you've got the battery pack here, and you've got the scooter here. And this scooter, as I said, is 58 pounds right here. Now, it's not easy to lift, okay? I'm pretty strong, but probably if you're as strong as I am, or if you have 2 people, you have a real good way to grab it here up front. And you have another good way right here, because you have this would be the heaviest piece, because you have the seat, the motors, everything's here, okay? So, when you put it back together and you get there, you put it on its back, you open this up, you put your battery pack in here, okay? You plug your cable back in, pull the lever out so you can shut the pack, and the battery pack is back in. Put it back down, raise your tiller back up, lock it. Here with the seat, you only have to raise it up manually. You can just raise it up, put your seat here. Now don't forget, your tip wheels are still standing up, okay? Unless you want to go without tip wheels, but I would suggest bring them back down, pull out, put them back down. And now the last thing you would have to do is make sure, you see how it's still in neutral, push the lever back down, and now you can see we're back in gear. Put the basket back on, and then take your keys, which I just deposited in here. Take your keys, put them back in, and you have your power, and you're ready to go forward and reverse.
Thank you for watching. If you have found this video useful, please hit the subscribe button below. If you have questions or need to see something else, please leave us a comment. Lastly, please sign up for the newsletter in the description below to get instant access to exclusive promotions. Enjoy the rest of your video.
Okay, the front wheel in front is 8-inch. The back wheel is 9.5-inch. They're solid tires, okay? So again, when you charge this scooter, you will take your charger that comes with your scooter. This is a brand new scooter, so I will take the charger out. Of course, you'll have your plug. Take your plug it in here. Then this one goes into the wall, and this is where you would charge your scooter. Right on top of your battery pack, there's a little green door right here. So if you flip that door open, you can see it from there, and then you just plug your charger right in here. Plug it in there, and this is a lithium battery pack, so make sure if you're not using your scooter for a few weeks, always keep these battery charged. Never let the lithium battery pack go down where they're dead, because they're very expensive to replace. So this is where you would charge it. So you can also charge it in your house if you want to take the battery pack out and take it into your house and leave the scooter in the car. All you need is this. In this 4 or 5 pound little battery pack, you can take that in the house, leave the rest of the scooter in the car. So I'm going to put this back in here. So I hope this demonstration is going to help you. Again, let's recap. We have got here the Enhanced Mobility Triaxe Cruze scooter. Top speed is 6 miles an hour. It does have a weight capability of 350 pounds. It has a 19 by 12-inch seat. The whole scooter without the battery pack weighs 57 pounds. Very easy to drive, as you can see. It does have a headlight in the front, as you can see. Okay, and you can fold it down and take the battery pack out. Solid tires all the way around. This is really going to be a fun little scooter if you get something like this. And it does come in 2 colors, this blue color, and it also comes in a red color. So this is the Triaxe Cruze. Top speed is 6 miles an hour. Again, this one stops when you let go, It's got a built-in brake in the motor, 6 miles an hour. Really cute little scooter. All right, so if you're going to turn in a circle, you got to turn really slow with this one because it will move over. So if you're going to turn, this is your turning radius. Real small turning radius. So you don't want to be turning fast because you've got a narrow scooter here. So just make sure when you turn, you don't turn very fast. You do have a horn, and it's 6 miles an hour. It'll probably go in some grass. So if you were going to a car show, flea market where there's grass, you'd be okay. But it's not made for the yard. It's got to be nice cut grass, but it had no problem in my grass, but I have a good bottom. So this is the Enhanced Mobility Triaxe Cruze scooter, 6 miles an hour top speed, 350-pound weight capability. It does have a 19-inch seat by 12-inch deep. You can see how I fit in it. There's still plenty of room. Solid tires in the back, solid tires in the front. It is a rear-wheel drive, which is good. And this scooter without the battery pack is like 57, 58 pounds without the battery pack. With the battery pack, it's probably going to be 61, 62 pounds. Very easy to lift. It folds automatically, like you see. You just pull the little handle here and it'll fold down. So if you're looking for a really nice little portable, foldable scooter, this would be one option. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex.
We are a family-owned business for over 25 years.
We have many products available, not just what you see in this video. If you would like to learn more, you can call the number below at 800-677-6293, or you can visit us directly at www.marcsmobility.com.